This is JC with CityMac, and I'm going to be showing you how to turn on your keyboard and emoji symbol viewers as a shortcut to access through your menu bar. To start, we want to access your Apple menu and pick System Preferences. From the second row to in, you're going to see Keyboard. You want to click on that. Make sure that you're selected under the Keyboard option, not under one of the other four. You want to be underneath Keyboard. And right down here, we want to check off this box. Just click right in it, and that's going to show your keyboard and emoji symbol viewer. Now what this has just done is right up top here, focus in, you're going to see somewhere up in this portion of your menu bar, the symbol that you're looking for looks like this. This is what we've just activated. Once you've turned that on, and you select that symbol, you can now view either the emoji and symbols viewer or your show keyboard viewer. I'm going to start by demonstrating the keyboard viewer. Now this window, from any outer edge, you can drag to increase or decrease the size of this keyboard. So the first time you open it, it's going to probably be pretty small. You're going to want to point to the outer edge with the tip of your cursor, press and hold down, and drag to make that a little bit bigger. What your keyboard viewer does is when you hold down any specific keys on the keyboard, you're going to see that modify this viewer. I'm going to hold down the Shift key, that's this key here, and you'll see that that's now giving me all the additional symbols. Now the Shift key is the most basic of the modifier keys. They've got most of the symbols already printed on the keyboard itself, right on the physical keyboard. But if I hold down the Option key, you're going to notice I'm going to get a whole additional set of characters. There's quite a few different combinations that you can hold down and play with. Notice here I'm holding Shift, and you can see because they're dark here, Shift and Option. I can type the Apple symbol if I'd like to. But that's the purpose of the keyboard viewer, is that if you hold down the modifier keys, you can find other common used shortcuts that you'd like. Say, for example, I'm excited that it's no longer winter and I want to type out that it's going to be 68 degrees. Holding down the Option key, notice that the letter K is the degree symbol. So if I'm typing the degree symbol often enough, the keyboard viewer makes it handy to go in and learn what that shortcut is. Same thing for typing bullets if you're making lists. That's the 8. So if I hold Option and press the number 8, I'll get a bullet. The other viewer, this is your emoji and symbols viewer. I'm going to select that. This window gives me a whole bunch of great shortcuts to go in. Emojis, digits. I can click right up here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see that a little better. This little gear here, if I click on that, I can customize this list, and I can turn on or off any of these additional, and there's a ton, any of these additional character sets to have access to. I just turned on pictographs, and I wanted some chess symbols. To use these, anywhere you are able to type, even out on the desktop, if I wanted to rename a folder and use this symbol, anywhere that I can type, I can place that symbol by simply double-clicking on the symbol. A handy feature of the character viewer is that when you do sift through and you find a symbol that you really like to use and want to continue to use, add it to the favorites. By selecting the symbol, click Add to Favorites, and then you can go to your favorite category and you'll see that symbol activated. Makes it easy to go back and find later.